Hey everyone, today I am going to teach you a lightning fast trick to multiply any two-digit number by 11 in your head. Let's go. Let's take an example 23 multiplied by 11. First look at the digits, that's 2 and 3. Now add them together, 2 and 3, we get 5. Place this 5 right in between the 2 and 3. Add just like that, you get 253. That's your answer. Easy, right? Let's try another one. 52 multiplied by 11. Take 5 and 2, add them and we get 7. Place it in between the 5 and 2. We get total answer is 572. This works perfectly when the sum of the digits is less than 10. If it's more, there is a tiny extra step. Now, what if the sum of the digit is more than 9? Let's take 58 into 11. First split the digit 5 and 8. Add them. 5 plus 8 gives rise to 13. Oh, that's a two-digit number. Here's what we do. We place the 3 in between the middle and carry the 1 over to the first digit. That's make 5 become 6. Therefore, the answer gives rise to 638. See, not scary at all. Okay, your turn. What's 84 into 11? I will give you 3 seconds. Try. Look at here. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry 1 over and you should get 924. Got it right? Then you are officially faster than a calculator. So next time someone asks you to multiply by 11, you will have the answer in seconds. If you found this useful, like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.